What the hell is wrong with it? Have you got ceramic brakes on this?
Sure it's not your hip, that?
You know that's going to be the new coat joke for people now.
I hope it is, I hope it is.
It's a new week. The M3 is still absolutely knackered. Subframe's hanging on by...
Not much.
We've got a little bit of a problem. The M3, we can't get the subframe done by, is it Reddish Motorsport?
Yeah, because they said they've got like a year, you've got a year to wait to get it done by them.
Looks like we're going to have to do it ourselves,
Oh yeah, I can't wait for that, mate. It may as well wait for them to do it for a year, because it'd take us at least that to try and sort it.
But on the previous video, we went into Performance M and they told us everything that's wrong with it, and we got about, what would we get, about a 20-minute video out of that, because there's shitloads wrong with it.
There's loads wrong with it, yeah.
But I think the most expensive is going to be the subframe. We've got an oil leak from the front, we've got an oil leak from the back, from the diff seal. Something's probably wrong in the middle bit.
Well, there is, because there's an oil leak from the Vanoss unit, there's an oil leak at the back of the engine, so which is technically the middle, and then there's an oil leak from the diff, yeah, so it has in all three sections.
So in true Evil GT style, we're going to do this backwards. We're going to get the bumper fixed today.
Well, that's a nice easy job though, isn't it?
Well, we know that can't go wrong.
No, it can't go, well, mind you, it could go wrong for people who might have seen your GTR.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. This is grey. Surely grey is the easiest one to match, right? But Sean at the body shop did say there's about 17 layers of paint on this, so we thought, oh, we'll just sand it down. Well, he will. Flat the bumper down, and then he'll just paint it. But this needs filler. Now, I never thought that would need filler, but when you run your hand over it, it does actually. Oh, have you dropped one?
Shit, then that's bad, that, isn't it?
That is bad. We're gonna take it to Sean's and he's gonna do the bumper.
You alright there?
Okay. So we're in Sean's now, and Sean did say, if you take the bumper off, we won't charge you as much. Don't think it's on the sill too well.
Alright, so you jacked it up in the wrong place is what you're saying?
Yeah, it might have done a little bit, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so you don't get dirt.
There you go.
Bit late now, I'm full of shit.
I tell you what, you can't be that full of shit.
No, he's just generally full of shit.
It's brushed up because he's got celebrities in today.
You got some VIPs in today, some VIPs.
All I'm saying, Pinky and Perky.
Moment of truth.
Yeah.
So what you're about to tell me is that's all that bumper was held in with, just them,
Not much.
them what, 6 screws? Well, that's knocked at least 150 quid off the bill, though, hasn't it?
It's £1,000 bill, though.
Yeah, well played. I knew I had it all under control.
We've taken the bumper off. We might as well just finish the job.
We may as well, haven't we now?
I mean, it can't be that hard, can it?
No.
Let's get the Dremel on that. So everybody knows Matt Armstrong, he does all the work himself, fixes all the cars up. We never do any of that, but we're going to start doing it today.
No.
So,
yeah.
is it one of them?
Hold me pint.
Yeah.
Hold me pint, Matt.
Hold that pint.
Show you how to do it, mate.
Let's have a look at this. Let's have a go at that.
It's not got a thing on it.
Put your hand there.
No. No, that's just Velcro, that.
Sean's give us a challenge. I'll do this side, finish it off. Sean will do that side.
Come on then.
Can't be that hard, can it? You know what the key is to sanding stuff down? Well, do you know what it is? Neither do I.
Beautiful. One thing I've noticed is that's it. That's better, mate. Concentrate. Tongue out. There you go. You do a much better job now.
Job. I'll work here, yeah. How much is a peg? Just realised it's got to be more than I get paid here for doing these videos.
It's got to be. Although you do get paid now, you can't have that excuse.
Yeah, I'll take it. When do I start?
It's taking 2 months up here.
Yeah, come on.
So you've got the plastic. You're down to plastic there.
Look, you're down to, look, flattening that off
I was
there,
just making sure that one was done. I don't have to go back to it now. Under pressure, you see. I'm being watched by my boss. I mean, bearing in mind, Sean, this is my first go.
I think it's alright.
You happy with that?
Go on, out of 10. Out of 10.
9.
7?
A 9?
9.
Oh,
I'm having
Jesus.
that. I'm having that. So technically yours is a 10 out of 10.
Mine's a 10, yours is a 9.
So I'm only one behind.
Yeah.
You need to open them shutters just a bit wider so we can get Doris's head through it.
So Sean's got how much experience? 40 years?
38 years.
So in 1 hour, I'm only 1 point behind. Not bad, that, is it?
I think that's cool.
Well done, mate. Now can you fix the RS4 bumper for us?
No, that's unfixable. There is a story with the RS4 bumper.
Yeah, it's knackered.
We was here the other day,
Yeah, we was.
but it can't get fixed because
It won't plastic weld, the plastic won't stick to it, so it won't plastic weld, you can't hot staple it. So it's just knackered.
it's messed up.
I know that you wouldn't usually do it, but we just need to bodge that together because I can't get any other bumper.
The only thing I can do with it is fiberglassing.
That's fine.
Yeah. Doesn't have to
No, it
look
doesn't.
pretty.
No, it
the only reason being is, if we spend £1,000 on a new bumper and you put it into the tyre wall,
Exactly, yeah, I'll be upset about that.
well, I'll be upset. Everyone's going to be upset.
Yeah, it's time you've paid me to fiberglass it, which could take 2 days.
50 quid, 60 quid?
Well, we obviously come in here and do our own jobs now, so it can't be that much, can it?
I'll tell you what.
We do that as well.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll do it.
I've never fiberglassed before. My dad used to be a fiberglasser, so I can get him in here.
Well, it can't fall far from the tree, can it?
No.
You should have taken his skills.
Yeah.
It takes you back to your youth. This it stinks, and you used to sniff this stuff. Didn't you?
You ever watched the film Purely Belter? Now, are you sure you know what you're doing here? Because you're looking a bit worried.
Can't be that hard, can it? There's two reasons for putting a filler on.
Yeah.
One's to fill,
Yeah.
and the other's to stop the paint reacting.
Amazing.
You don't.
Repeat what other people tell you.
You didn't. I knew that before Sean told me.
Whatever. I'm no expert, but that doesn't look as good.
Well, I've not finished it yet, have I? You come back when I've done it. This is my interview, so if I can do this right, I'm starting next week.
Home and dry. Oh yeah, that's going off that, does it?
Oh yeah. No, you need the lip.
Yeah, no, it just needs to cover the actual paint.
Tell you what, somebody's going to have a lot of rub in there.
Oh, that was all right until you did it.
I'm just trying to take some of the filler off it, mate.
You are definitely not getting a certificate for bodywork. So while we wait for that filler to go off,
Yeah.
time for something to eat. We got the Y Foods back.
We have got the Y Foods back. There's 26 different vitamins and minerals in these. High in protein, fibre,
Low in sugar.
lactose and gluten free. And it's a full meal replacement. If you've not got time to go and get a proper big meal, drink one of these, job done.
And we've got a new one, lemon cheesecake.
I saw your eyes lit up when I said to you about there was a new flavour coming.
Do you know what that tastes like?
Lemon cheesecake.
Lemon cheesecake.
Does it actually?
It's very sweet, so if you want a bit of a sweet kick, get that.
But as well as all the shakes, there's the bars, there's the powders, so if you're on the go, powders, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, they're really, really good. Go check them out. Evil GT10, links in the description with the discount code. And yeah, go and try them for yourself.
There's loads of different flavours, coffee, banana, choco, cheesecake, vanilla, cheesecake, coconut. Let us know what you think about them.
Banana and coffee are my favourite. The cold brew coffee is fit in the morning. It's really good. Thank you very much once again to Y Food, because without them, this front bumper wouldn't be getting fixed. Is this right?
I don't know.
Yeah, the way you're rubbing that, you'll be doing all day. That battery will be flat.
I'm
know,
making
yeah.
it easy, I keep telling
You're
people.
tickling that.
Well,
You've got to keep the general shape of the bumper.
I know.
I'm just preempting this. Anybody that's got an M3 E46 bumper for sale, please do let us know. There's no doubt we'll need one after this. If you took enough off there, the car's going to be one-sided because it's got that much filler this side. What we're saying, Sean?
For my first time, 7 out of 10. 6? 5? 5.
5 out of 10.
You know, it started off so well.
Right, you've got a big edge there.
Yeah,
What? Big edge.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
Still, and you've been rubbing that as well. That's too sharp.
Okay.
You need to round your sharp end off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that,
Oh,
still too hard.
oh yeah, I can feel that now. So, should we come back tomorrow?
Make like a tree and leave. You had enough now, and the battery's about to go on the camera. You didn't bring the spare one.
So we'll come back tomorrow. It's going to get primed now.
I just realised what you did then as well. Look, my missus goes nuts because of all the washing. Look what he's doing here.
say is this is amazing.
What's into the technique?
Right. It's not as good as you, obviously. I'm not going to be like, you've got 38 years experience. Can I say, anyone that said we don't do our own work, I have literally single-handedly painted that bumper, prepped it, painted it. Easy, mate.
Prepped and painted?
Yeah, easy. So, the bill should be about 50 notes, yeah?
Should be about 50 quid for it. That's also the labour we've had out.
Yeah.
Is he going to send you a certificate?
Yeah, certificate, yeah.
Is that it? Are we done? Is that it? Job done?
He's going to make an excuse now where there's going to be no printer in the off-book laptop. What do you think to me first go at painting?
Mate, do you know what? Fair play to you, because, you know, I knew you'd got the wanker's wrist, I knew you'd got it.
So I sanded it down, filled it, sanded the filler down, then I put the first coat on, then I didn't really do anything after. I let Sean finish it off.
Well, you nearly put him out of a job, so you thought, felt a bit sorry for him.
Right. My most prized possession, right?
Is your paint?
I'm going to hand it for you for a day. You ready?
Yeah. Oh yes! Look at that!
There's your certificate.
That's better than any certificate. You know what? I've got no certificates. A little paint gun on that. That's where them little spats were. Can't even tell now, can you?
Min.
And to be honest, like I said before,
Best side.
that is the best side. I mean, that's a bit shabby, that side, I'll be honest. I mean, it's nowhere near as good as my side, that is it, Sean?
No.
We'll get to my stage one day.
I'll try my best.
I'll keep coming in
Are you
teaching.
putting this on or not?
Well, we took it off.
Yeah.
Is it easy to put it back on?
No,
You took it off.
I took it off, you can put it back on, yeah?
Bollocks.
Yeah.
What? No, because we've got to be.
You've got your shit on.
We've got to be in Manchester for 12
Sean,
o'clock.
Come on, there's only a couple of
would you
screws.
would you mind if you put it back on? Because
Yeah.
we can't get dirty.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Going to a business meeting. Business meeting.
Oh,
With no one.
wow.
Is that a good excuse, that?
I'll lend you a pair of overalls. It's not a problem.
Hold on a minute. Is the bill going to go up if we
Only
don't
by
put
well, it
back on?
can't go up much for 50 quid, can it?
How much is it to put a bumper on? About £5?
It's got to be in it.
You got £5 in your pocket.
10 a day.
Minimum charge is an hour's labour.
Jesus. Well, actually, it's not that dear in here anyway, is it?
£120 an hour.
Bollocks.
Get that bleeding. Get that bumper on there now.
Okay, that's more expensive than it is at Audi.
There you go.
That's it. Is that in?
I'll be completely honest with you. We did all the hard work. We can't even put the bumper back on.
No, it's hard. It's
That's
just
an easy bit.
It's just a fact. No, putting it on's. Taking stuff apart is easy. Putting it back together again is the ball ache.
Job finished. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Sean. Thanks to Chris for putting the bumper back on.
First class motors in Newton.
Yeah.
If you need any work doing, bodywork wise,
Yeah.
there you go. Yeah, thanks, Sean.
So thanks, Sean.
Ah, mate.
The next video this week, we're going to see Calvin over a car. We might be buying
Oh,
a
yeah?
car. We're not going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to watch the next video. That's if we buy it off Calvin, but you know what he's like. He's a salesman, isn't he?
He is, yeah. I
So,
can't wait.
he's
It'll
a
be
car
like
salesman. He's going to sell us
against
the car.
salesman.
Yeah. So we're going to want some discount, and he's going to want probably more than he actually put the car
Yeah,
up
he
for in
will.
the
Yeah,
first
he'll
place.
put it up just,
So, yeah.
just to get rid of us.
So either way, that's a little collaboration between Evil GT times Calvin's Car Diary.
Yeah. So looking forward to it, Calvin. We'll see you later, mate.
Yeah. So subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Ta-ra.
Cheers.